Hello everyone, this is my second video. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to glow up your text and look like it's neon. So let me begin by creating a text box. I'm going to write neon. Cool. We will go to outer glow and you can select to pick a color. I'm going to use the purple this time. And let's see, you can adjust the sizing however you would like. Keep it to screen. And we will go to inner glow. Inner glow is going to have the same purple color, but we still try to keep it white from inside. So try to keep the opacity low or keep the size a little bit low. Right? Keep it multiply and hit OK. So here's your neon word with a little bit of glow. Thank you so much for watching this video. I try to keep it short, simple, and clean so you don't waste a lot of time. Please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I will see you again.